When society falters and the rule of law is a memory, the gear you've chosen won't just be a convenience, it will be the foundation of your survival. It's not about paranoia, it's about a calculated, practical preparedness for the most severe scenarios. Welcome to our countdown of the top 20 Doomsday survival tools for serious preppers. We've scoured the market to bring you a list of heavy-duty, functional, and potentially life-saving equipment that focuses on the core pillars of long-term survival. And one more thing, make sure to check the link in description for latest price of each gear we talked about. Let's get started. Number 20. MaxiMite Heavy-Duty Trash Bags. At number 20 is a humble but critical tool, the MaxiMite Heavy-Duty Trash Bag. In a collapse, sanitation is everything. Disease from accumulated waste can decimate a group. These aren't ordinary bags. With a 2.5 mm thickness, they're puncture and leak resistant, designed for sharp, heavy debris. Use them for waste containment, waterproofing gear, or hauling materials. A 30-count pack is essential for long-term hygiene and health. Number 19. Rckskaya Emergency Hand Crank Radio. At number 19, we have the Rckskaya Emergency Radio. When the grid fails, this is your command center. It's an AM/FM no AA weather alert radio, a powerful 5,000 mAh power bank for USB charging, and an ultra-bright flashlight. With triple charging via solar, hand crank, or USB-C, it ensures you can always receive critical alerts and power your devices, no matter how long the blackout lasts. Number 18. IGRL Portable Shower Pump. Maintaining hygiene is a morale and health necessity, which is why the IGRL Portable Shower is number 18. This isn't a luxury. Its 8,000 mAh battery provides up to 180 minutes of use, with 5 adjustable pressure levels and a smart LED display for water temperature. Drawing from any water source, it allows for cleaning people, gear, or washing pets, preventing infections and boosting spirits when modern plumbing is gone. Number 17. Survivor Filter Pro Hand Pump Water Filter. At number 17, we address the most urgent survival need: water. The Survivor Filter Pro is your go-to for mobile purification. Weighing only 12.8 ounces, it's incredibly portable for your bug-out bag. Its super fast flow rate of 500 milliliters per minute lets you drink directly from freshwater sources, removing 99.999% of viruses, bacteria, and protozoa. No batteries, no waiting. Just immediate, safe hydration on the move. Number 16. BLIKA Portable Toilet Kit. Number 16 makes the unthinkable manageable. The BLIKA Portable Toilet Kit. This complete solution provides dignity and sanitation. It includes a robust, collapsible toilet that supports 350 pounds, a pop-up privacy tent, waste bags, and eco-friendly absorbent gel that solidifies waste and controls odor. This kit is absolutely essential for preventing contamination and maintaining a healthy, livable environment in a long-term crisis. Number 15. WanderMate Self-Inflating Sleeping Pad. Coming in at number 17 is the WanderMate Self-Inflating Sleeping Pad. In a survival situation, sleep is a medical resource. This 3.15-inch thick pad combines memory foam with air support for genuine comfort and insulation from the cold ground. Its built-in cordless pump means a comfortable bed is just seconds away, preserving your energy and sanity for the challenges of the next day. Number 14. Parcel Distribution Full Face Respirator Gas Mask. The runner-up at number 2 is for when the very air becomes a threat. The Parcel Distribution Full Face Respirator. In a world of chemical spills, airborne pathogens, or thick smoke, this mask is your ultimate defense. It provides full face coverage with a wide-view anti-fog lens and uses professional-grade filters to protect against organic vapors and particulates. This isn't an option. It's a necessity for navigating a contaminated environment and securing your next breath. Number 13. Lifesaver Jerrycan Water Purifier. At number 13, we have the Lifesaver Jerrycan. This is a portable water treatment plant. Its 18.5-liter capacity lets you collect and store water from any source, and its built-in pump purifies it to a level that exceeds military standards, removing 99.9999% of viruses, bacteria, cysts, and parasites. It provides a massive, reliable supply of safe, great-tasting water for a base camp or vehicle, making it the single most important asset for long-term survival. At number 12 is the UCO Titan, Stormproof, Waterproof, and Windproof Match Kit. This isn't just a simple box of matches, it's your most fundamental and reliable line of defense against the cold and dark. Meticulously engineered to laugh in the face of the elements, these are the beefiest, longest-burning windproof and waterproof matches available, guaranteed to light and stay lit even after being submerged in water. But its genius goes far beyond the matches themselves. The kit includes a durable, waterproof case that actually floats, 3 replaceable strikers to ensure you're never without a way to light them, and 2 refill packs of 25 matches. It's a complete, award-winning fire-starting system that declutters your kit and completely eliminates the anxiety of a failed flame in a driving rainstorm. With a burn time of 25 seconds per match, the UCO Titan kit is the non-negotiable foundation for any survival scenario, guaranteeing you can create warmth, purify water, and signal for help from the moment you need it. At number 11, we have the SOG XL Entrenching Tool. For the prepper who understands that survival means manipulating your environment, this portable, heavy-duty tool is a genuine game-changer. It completely rejects the flimsy, unreliable nature of cheap e-tools, using its formidable high-carbon steel construction and black powder coat finish to tackle the most demanding tasks. It extends to a substantial 23.25 inches, giving you serious leverage for digging fortifications, sanitation trenches, or fire pits without breaking your back. Its clever folding design and locking mechanism make it relatively compact for transport, while its ergonomic metal handle ensures a solid grip in all conditions. This isn't just a shovel, it's a compact excavation machine that ensures you have the rugged, reliable muscle needed to reshape your world, one scoop at a time. Coming in at number 10 is the Go Time Gear Survival Life Tent. This product solves the single most immediate survival threat: exposure to the elements. This isn't a simple emergency blanket. It's a masterclass in lightweight shelter. Its brilliant design features a 2-person tube tent crafted from military-grade PET mylar that reflects and retains a staggering 90% of your body heat. It sets up instantly between trees or can be adapted as a ground blanket, creating a critical barrier against wind, rain, and hypothermia in minutes. Weighing a mere 8.7 ounces and packing down to the size of a soda can, it also includes a 120 decibel emergency whistle and 550-pound paracord for securing it. This shelter brings life-preserving order to the chaos of an unexpected night in the wilderness, making survival efficient and utterly possible. The number 9 spot is secured by the Titan Survival patented paracord 750. This is the ultimate workhorse for the survivor who values multifunctionality without sacrificing an ounce of strength. This isn't standard paracord, it's a revolutionary 3-in-1 survival system engineered into every strand. Its military-spec construction boasts a tested tensile strength of 1,000 pounds, but its genius is inside. It integrates a waterproof fire tinder strand, a 110-pound test Kevlar thread for critical repairs, and a 25-pound test braided fishing line. It's resistant to UV, mildew, and extreme weather, making it the perfect versatile companion for building shelters, setting snares, making repairs, or securing gear when your survival depends on one tool doing it all. At number 8 is the Adventure Medical Kit's Sportsman Series Medical Kit. This innovative kit is the ultimate solution for managing trauma and medical emergencies while keeping your supplies completely organized. Unlike basic first aid tins, this comprehensive 200-piece kit is designed to accommodate up to 4 people for up to 4 days. It's built with the Easy Care organization system, providing lightning-fast access to essential supplies for bleeding control, wound care, and medication when every second counts. It includes hospital-quality bandages, instruments, and a wilderness first aid guidebook. At number 7 spot is the Morganov Conspol fixed blade knife with survival kit sheath. This is the apex predator of survival knives, a comprehensive solution for the prepared individual. It doesn't just offer a blade, it comes with a full survival system integrated directly into its sheath. The knife itself is a masterpiece of Swedish stainless steel, featuring a versatile Scandi grind and a 90-degree spine for striking a ferro rod. But Morakniv took it several steps further, including a diamond sharpener, a reflective paracord lanyard, and a fire starter that attaches directly to the sheath. This all-in-one kit consolidates your cutting, sharpening, and fire starting needs into one safe, reliable, and incredibly powerful tool. At number 6 is the Leatherman Raptor Rescue Multi-Tool. This set represents the absolute gold standard in emergency medical and tactical cutting. This isn't just about having shears, it's about having a dedicated, life-saving instrument. The ultralight foldable design features a carbide glass breaker for escaping vehicles, a strap/ring cutter for removing hazardous materials, and of course razor-sharp, oxygen tank wrench-compatible shears that cut through denim, leather, and Kevlar like butter. It includes a utility holster for swift upside-down belt carry, ensuring it's always accessible. The Raptor Rescue provides a designated tool for every high-stakes cutting scenario, creating a logical, easy-to-deploy system for emergencies. It's a systematic revolution for how you handle crisis intervention. At number 5 position is the Wolfbox 4000A Jump Starter with air compressor. This device is the ultimate solution for vehicle-dependent survival. It completely eliminates the need for another vehicle for a jump start and a separate bulky air compressor. This powerful all-in-one unit delivers a massive 4,000 amp peak current to jumpstart dead batteries on gas engines up to 10 liters and diesel engines up to 8 liters. Its 160 psi air compressor can inflate a pickup truck tire in under 3 minutes, and it also functions as a 24,000 mAh power bank with 65-watt fast charging for all your devices. Whether you're reviving a dead car battery to get moving or inflating tires to navigate rough terrain, this tool ensures your most vital mobility asset is always operational, banishing the fear of being stranded for good. At number 4 is the OLIGHT Seeker 4 Pro Rechargeable Flashlight. This flashlight is a masterpiece of integrated illumination design, blending insane power with incredible user-friendly features into one rugged, waterproof package. Its staggering 4,600 lumen output and 260 meter throw can light up an entire landscape or signal for help from incredible distances. Its genius includes a multifunctional holster that acts as a charging dock and carrying solution, an enlarged glove-compatible rotating switch for easy mode selection, and 2 separate charging methods. At number 3 spot is the 4 Patriots 4-Week Survival Food Kit. This kit earns its high position by completely reinventing a category dominated by bland, short-term options. Its genius lies in its long-term viability and variety, with a 25-year shelf life and 192 total servings of breakfast, lunch, and dinner entrees. It's designed to provide one person with a full month of food security, all packaged in durable, easy-to-stack pouches. The 4 Patriots kit isn't an accessory. It's a necessity that guarantees you will have the caloric fuel and nutritional foundation to endure and think clearly through any extended emergency. At number 2, we have the Phoenix TK35R 5800 lumen tactical flashlight with UV light. This version takes the concept of a flashlight and turns it into a multi-role command and control tool. It generates a blinding 5,800 lumens and can throw light an incredible 667 yards. But its true genius is the addition of 2 UV light settings, allowing you to perform critical tasks like detecting scorpions, authenticating documents, finding fluid leaks, or identifying forensic evidence. And number 1 is the Uncharted Supply Company 72 Pro 2-Person Survival System. This remarkable system earns the top spot for being a complete, off-the-shelf solution to surviving the critical first 72 hours of any disaster. This isn't a collection of items thrown in a bag. It's a meticulously curated ecosystem of over 60 professional-grade tools organized within a waterproof roll-top backpack. It contains everything: a Sawyer mini water filter and steel bottle, 4,800 calories of food, a survival tent, Mylar blankets, a full trauma first aid kit, N95 masks and goggles, a shovel/axe, a fire starting knife, a multi-tool, a NOAA crank radio, and so much more. Its color-coded organization system allows anyone to find, and that concludes our list of the 20 best Doomsday survival tools. From sanitation and shelter to water and air purification, each of these items serves a vital, non-negotiable role in a serious prepper's plan. Remember, it's about empowering yourself with the tools to face the unknown with confidence. We've included links to all of these products in the description below. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more content on practical preparedness, and let us know in the comments what your most essential piece of survival gear is. Stay safe.